my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Tell you the truth, I do not know what's going on with this weather. This weather is bipolar. Yesterday, it was in the 90s here in Jersey. Today, the high is 68. I am so over it. Anyway, guys, I want to come to you and try and explain a word to my viewers and subscribers. And please don't think I'm being condescending or I'm talking down to you. And the reason why I say that is that a few videos have come into my orbit in regards to reactors responding to something, to a particular word that GemRock used on his live 2 Saturdays ago. And it's very apparent that these reactors do not know the definition of the word potential. So, once again, like I said, at the risk of sounding superior, guys, that is not my intent. I am trying to explain a word that I think reactors are losing or do not know the meaning of, and is responding in a, I don't even know what to say, in a confused manner. The way I am, if I hear a word that I do not know the meaning of, I go and I pull out my phone if I'm on the road, and I go to Google and I type in the word and I look definition, right? So, you know, sometimes even if I don't know how to spell it correctly, by tinkering around with the different spelling, the Google will give you the correct spelling and its definition. And I think if some people take the time out to look up a word before they decide to make a whole video about it, giving out incorrect information, it would behoove them to realize that they are misleading their viewers, right? And I am going to play the video so you guys get the full context of what I am referring to. But GemRock made a reference to Youngd.e.World, and in it he said that he sees the potential, right, of this guy using his talent for the right reasons, right? This was right before callers called in on his show. My people, don't you know reactors who do not know the definition of the word potential do not want to know the meaning of the word potential, took it and ran with it, and is espousing that GemRock was celebratory of the way Youngd.e.World is behaving. He was applauding him, congratulating him, supporting him. From the one word potential, you decide to run with it and act as if you know the definition. Guys, please stop. We are more intelligent than that. I won't even use the word educated. We are more intelligent than that. If you hear a word and you do not understand it, research it. So that when you do make a video, we do live in a country where free speech is allowed and encouraged, right? But if you're going to make a video and the main topic is the word potential, at least do your homework. Do your homework and see what the word means, right? Before you go and make a fool of yourself. I'm sorry to say, but the word potential is an inherent ability, capacity, or possibility for someone or something to develop, succeed, or change in the future. In the future. Even if they are not aware of their abilities in this current moment. That is what the word potential means. It's not endorsing what the person is doing or saying now. It's telling the person that they have the ability, the capacity, the intellect to use their talent for something good instead of being vindictive, malicious, and lying. That's what that means. So please educate yourself. Educate yourself. If you hear, instead of getting upset that people are using big words, instead of getting upset, grab your dictionary. Grab your dictionary, look up the word, look up the spelling, look up the definition, look up the proper usage. Let us all learn together instead of we are so intent on tearing each other down that even when a word is used in the correct context, you either wittingly or unwittingly decide not to learn the true definition. And it's a pity. It's a pity because the YouTube space is for everyone and everybody's ship does not dock at the same time. You know, so let's drop the behavior of always looking at the glass half empty and start looking at it half full. Instead of looking for someone to say something negative so you can make videos and exaggerate and embellish the truth, let's look at the glass half full so you can see the potential in what is being said.
Doubt, and you know why people have doubt when they're knowledgeable? Because they understand consequences. They learn to rationalize things so they think things through. Sometimes because the intelligence now, I speak to you because you know, say, if you say that we happen this up, and that we cause that this up. So you brace. You have people who take up their ego now and start to run out and start to make some bull argument. And style up people, disrespect people, call people all kind of names, label up people. And what? Because they want certain kind of contention to continue. Because the contention, it is valuable to the economic side of what we call YouTube game. Enough of youth them out here have potential, you know? And they can do much better than what them are doing. You see, Youngd.e is a youth with enough potential. Youngd.e can do better than what they do. And me want to encourage the youth to do better than what they do. See? Enough of other youth them out here. Them have potential. But what they want is attention. some of you them go about seeking the attention the wrong way. And you see, if you try to correct the youth them and make them know, say, yo, why not do different this still, man? It can cause destruction, man. Now, if you try bring destruction to anything or anybody around, you know, remember, say, life is a cycle, and what goes around, it come right back around. So the destruction go reach you. If once you try to build your foundation off a destruction, automatically it go come forward and it go reach you.
People, as you can see for yourselves, GemRock was not endorsing what Youngd.e is doing right now in this current setting, but he's telling him that he sees the potential to change direction, do the right thing. How can reactors go based off what he said and say he's out here endorsing Youngd.e? So once again, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, I know you're more intellectual than that, and you know exactly, where he's coming from and where he's going. And based on that, you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Mwah.